The Enchanted Garden. In the quiet town of Willowbrook, there was a small, overgrown garden that everyone avoided. Rumor had it that the garden was enchanted, filled with magical plants and hidden treasures. One sunny afternoon, a curious girl named Lily decided to explore the garden. As Lily stepped inside, she noticed vibrant flowers and towering plants she had never seen before. In the center of the garden, she found a peculiar, glowing flower. She reached out to touch it, and suddenly, the garden transformed. The plants started moving, and tiny, glowing fairies appeared, dancing around her. One of the fairies, named Spark, flew up to Lily and said, "Welcome to the Enchanted Garden. You have a pure heart, and we need your help to protect our home." Spark explained that the garden's magic was fading, and only someone with a kind and curious spirit could restore it. Lily agreed to help and followed Spark to a hidden fountain. She dipped her hands into the sparkling water and felt a warm, magical energy flow through her. The garden flourished, with colors becoming more vibrant and the plants growing stronger. The fairies cheered, and Spark gave Lily a small, glowing seed as a token of their gratitude. Lily planted the seed in her own garden, and it grew into a beautiful flower that reminded her of her magical adventure. Life lesson: kindness and curiosity can lead to extraordinary experiences and help others. English lesson: vocabulary: enchanted, vibrant, peculiar, transformed, fairies, gratitude. Grammar: use of past tense verbs: noticed, found, reached, transformed, explained.